The Octane Master Course. Training for Octane Render in Cinema 4D. Structured learning. Made for every skill level. With 110 videos. Coming in at over 50 hours of content. Updated for the latest version of Octane. If the Octane Master Course doesn't have what you need right now, it will soon enough. Now, with a 24-month extended update period, the new videos and updates won't end until August 15th, 2021. So, what will you learn in the Octane Master Course? You'll learn render settings, lighting, all the Octane materials, including the metallic, toon, blend, and universal material. You'll learn node editing. That includes every single node, multipass systems, X-particles and Turbulence FD integration, Substance Painter workflows, Megascan workflows, character retexturing, Octane objects, baking, breakdown videos, free scene files and assets, and so much more. For more information on the Octane Master Course, check the link below. The visuals for this video were created and edited by John Burdock. The music for this video was created by Joe Burdock. If you would like to listen to more of Joe's music, check the link below. The voiceover for this video was done by John Burdock. For a special message from the Octane Master Course creator, also check the link below. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't done so already, I highly recommend checking the links below.